Alright guys, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Zionhublogistics, where we talk about making money, most especially on mini importation and online. If you are finding yourself watching this video, you must have been looking for a way to fund your virtual card or a way to create a virtual card with Geegpay. So in today's video, I'm going to be walking you through a step-by-step guide on how to do that. So if you haven't watched my previous video, I make a video on how to fund your NGN wallet with Geegpay. So I'll be linking the video with this video. Just check that drop down arrow there. You are going to be seeing the description under the description button of this video. You are going to be seeing the link there. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel as you are watching this video, what you want to help me with is just to click on that subscription button. I really appreciate you for doing that. So let's get into today's video. You can see right here that my NGN wallet is being funded with 2,500 naira, which is almost $2 to $3. So before we go in getting the virtual card, I would love us to see what they charge for their virtual card and the requirements to fund the virtual card. So what you want to do is to click on this chat icon here. Then this is where you can speak with their customer care and all that, but we want to ask for their frequently asked questions. You can see the first one says virtual account deposit charges. So then the second one is virtual card charges, which what we are going to be seeing right here. So let's just click on these virtual charges and see what these guys are charging. So you can see right here that the creation for this USSD card is just $2, and the description is you are charged $2 for creating this virtual card. And you can see that their transaction is as low as 0.1 for USSD transactions. Do you see it? So they said for additional there will be additional charges for any other currencies. All right, so I believe we are good to go with this $2. And if you want to learn more on how their cards work, you can just play around with this. So guys, let's go ahead in creating our virtual card. So this is what their dashboard really looks like, and what you want to do right here is, and before now, let me quickly show you that I'm not having any cards. Let me click on cards. You can see that I'm not having any cards here. And what you want to do now is to create a new card. And what you want to do is just to click on this new card. Then you name what you want to use this card for. You can just name it something random. So you can select if you want a physical card or virtual card. So we want to use virtual card for our online transactions and all that. Maybe we work as a mini importer and we need some virtual card to make online payments. So this card is very okay. So what you want to do after you've checked all these things and they work perfectly and you are good to go, so you just want to click on this continue button right here, and you can see that the charges $2 for this card, and the minimum amount you want to add is 2. So we are just funding this card with $2, and you can check on this drop down arrow to select the wallet you are funding it from. So I'll be clicking on my NGN wallet, and so once you select the account you want them to debit you from, and you think you are done with all this, and the next thing you want to do is to click on this submit button here. And you can see that is under processing right here. So we just need to give them a few minutes, and you can see that a debit and the transaction has been successful, and you can see different debit alerts and all that. You can see card funding successful. Your card has been successfully funded. You can see right here that we just created a new virtual account, a new virtual credit card. So let's just go to refresh now. You can see right here that before now we does not have any virtual cards on our account. And let me go to my account right here to preview what this actually look like and how you can see the complete dashboard of their card. And guys, the beautiful part of it is dollar card. So I believe the limit on these cards will be very nice. So guys, you can see right here that my current balance is just $2, and you can see the details of the card right here, that the card has been funded just $2. So you can see that it is credit transactions. And let's go to our history, the history of these transactions, for us to see what they charge us for $2. So let's click on transactions, and you can see right here that we just created this card, and they charge us just 1,500 naira for this card to be successful. You can see right here, and you can see the conversion rate and all that. So before now, and before I go, let's go to this chat icon again. I wish to show you guys something before I end this video, so you can see what the maximum of this account. So let me just click here. Guys, I want us to see the limits on this card. So let me just click on this for us to check the limits on this card and the maximum transactions that we can do on this card. So you can see right here that the maximum funding daily is $1,000, and the minimum funding is $5 upward. So the daily spending limit is $500, and the maximum monthly is around $5,000. I believe this is very good for our online transactions and all that. So if you want to learn how this works completely, and if you have gained one or two things from this video, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you in my next video. If you want me to help you with one or two things concerning this, just find a way to my WhatsApp, message me, and I will respond to you. I will see you guys in my next video. I love you.